Hi folks, it's Dane at Jonah Guitars. I've got a guitar that I built here, Acoustic OMs, just sold. So I'm just getting things tidied up, wrapped up on it. It's going in the case and going to the owner. Let me kind of give you the details. Okay, so we'll start up here at the headstock, and that has the custom inlay there, the Jonah whale with Wenge headstock veneer, and then it's got a bone nut. It's got Grover tuners with they call them green keystone tuners on that. The neck, you can see it's got a Wenge lamination in the center of Spanish cedar on either side, and then again on the back here we have the Wenge as the heel cap. Anything dark on this guitar is Wenge. The fretboard is Wenge. It also has little pearl inlays on it. So, and then pearl side markers as well. And we'll go down here and we'll go to the Wenge bridge and ebony bridge pins, bone saddle. The top of this is Douglas fir, and the back and sides are spalted maple. I also have black-white purfling going around, side and top, and the same on the back, side and top of the black-white purfling. Anyway, what else? The Wenge ingraft. And it has a K&K Pure Mini pickup in it. It's got a wooden badge in the inside for the paper with the laser cut name. It's got the serial number basically, and then also has you won't be able to see it, but it also has a badge up here on the heel cap. So I also laminated a Wenge back on the inside of the guitar, so the back is technically two-piece lamination of the Wenge and the spalted maple. I wasn't getting the sound out of it that I wanted when I was putting it together. I decided to laminate it with the Wenge. It gives it a much some brighter reflection to it. So, all right, I think we've talked about everything. I guess we have. So I'm not going to pretend to be a guitar player. The plan was to have a guy come over and demo it for me, the same guy that's been doing the last few demos, Ryan. And he's gigging in Costa Rica for a couple weeks. So the client kind of wanted to get the guitar since he bought it, and so it's going to go to him pretty quick. He said he'd bring it back and let Ryan demo it, but I don't know if that'll happen. So should we bother with an F? So, the fellow that's buying this is actually a recording musician, and he's recorded a bunch of stuff. And he said he was looking for a new guitar. I was repairing one of his other guitars. He said he was looking for a new guitar. I said, well, take a look at this one. And it took him about, I don't even know, it took him a minute. He said, I want this. So that's great. He loves the neck, which I think is just tremendous, that it feels good to him. I do roll my necks up all the way to the fretboard. So you got a complete radius all the way up to there. just stopped sustaining to my ear, and I'm mostly deaf. I think it has a fantastic sound. A good third guitar follow-up to the first two slotted 12 frets triple O's. And so I haven't completely decided. I think I want to build another OM before I move on to like a grand auditorium. I'm not a huge fan of dreadnoughts, just for their size and playability, but I'm sure that people will want them at some point. I know builders, quite famous builders, that get $36,000 for a guitar that only build OM size guitars. I suppose I could do that, but you'll have to pay me $36,000. I'll mention that. I'll mention it actually. So my starting price on an acoustic right now is $4,000. So if you would like to have something specific made, I have a lot of material on hand. I guess I should be talking to the camera. I have a lot of material on hand, interesting stuff like I have a lot of Sitka for tops. I have another fir top, which sounds great. I have Chechen, Bobinga. I'm pretty sure I have a Bloodwood back inside set. At any rate, yeah, you know, you can get a hold of me through the comments in the video or through the About page or tab on the YouTube video. You go in there and you prove you're a human, and they'll give you my email address. Hey, thanks for watching. And if Ryan and the customer can get connected here, and we'll get a demo on it, the proper demo. And that's it. So hey, thanks for watching. Appreciate your watching. Appreciate it if you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. And we'll catch you next time. Bye.